Hello guys, so today we'll be unboxing Merku M2 Mesh Wi-Fi router with 4 different nodes. So we'll also go through the setup and see how quickly we can set it up. I already have a Comcast Wi-Fi internet connection, so I'll just connect this router to that. Perfect, let's get started. That is a very big box. So 4 nodes and 1 router. Very small, very lightweight. There is some setup guide. Yes. There's a power adapter and maybe a LAN cable and the usual setup guide. So this is all the Mesh Wi-Fi router is. It's very small, lightweight. It has Yep, this is in and this is out. Perfect. So let's open a node as well to see how it is. So we've got 4 of these to have each one in one of the rooms. There could have been a smaller box for this. Okay, this is how it is. Pretty much very simple. Goes to the power socket. So here we have the router and 4 mesh nodes. I'll quickly turn it up and see how we can set it up faster. So now we're going to set up this mesh router. Setup is pretty simple. You just need to connect the LAN cable, go to the Wi-Fi settings, take down the SSID and password, connect it, and then have their app installed to configure the Wi-Fi. Or you can do it on the browser as well. Setting up the mesh nodes, it's pretty simple. You just have to plug them into the socket and they will automatically pair. If not, you can manage it from the app as well. So I've also tested the speeds before this mesh router and after. I'll be showing them as well. So the setup was pretty simple. I just connected from my Netgear modem to the mesh router via the LAN cable and powered it. Soon after powering it, it was red and then it turned to green. So the green indicates that there is internet and the red indicates that there was power. So this Merku is the default SSID doesn't have any password. Yep, I'm connected to the internet and it's all good. So here it is. This is a mesh node. I have one over here, one in the living room, and one in the kitchen area. So overall it is very good. My 1 day of experience is all positives. The speeds have gone really high when compared to my older Netgear N300. I don't know, N300 or N600 is it is. So yep, overall I'm good. That's all. I'll be back with a new product and new video soon.